In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to install Marketbob, that's multi-vendor digital marketplace. Please use our affiliate link to download this script. Our affiliate link is in the description below. So after purchasing the script, then next go straight to your cPanel. Here's my cPanel. Then to the file manager, so from your file manager you go to your domain or subdomain. If you want to use a domain, you come to your public HTML, then upload it there. But in this tutorial we will be using a subdomain. So to download or to install our theme or our script, here is our subdomain. I've already uploaded the script. Next, I'm going to extract it. So extract files. Okay, so now to make sure everything is in order, then I close. So after extracting the script, then next I go to my cPanel. I go back to my cPanel, then to my database. Next I create my database. Let me name my database as this. Then create database. Database has been successfully created. I click on go back. Next, after creating the database, I create the user. Let me name it as this. Then I click on create user. The user has been created successfully. After creating the database and the user, what next is for me to add the user to the database. It has already selected it for me, as you can see. If not, I'm going to click on this arrow, then select it. Then next, I click on add. I give all privileges, then scroll down to make changes. Now I've successfully created my database. What else is for me to go to my site? That's my subdomain. Click on enter. So everything is in order. Scroll down. I click on continue. Okay. So I go back to my file manager, then to add-ons. File manager, add-ons. I give this the permission of 775. Save. What next? Bootstrap. Inside the bootstrap cache, I give you 775. Bootstrap. 775. Save. I open this cache. I give you 775. Save. So the next one, I go back to it. After this, I go to lang 775 public images. Lang public images. Up and level. Lang, here is it. I give it the permission of 775. Public 775. Save. So I open it. Images, I give it 775. 775. Save. So go back there. Then next I go to public themes. Inside the themes basic again. Inside So inside the basic images, so let me go back. Okay, up one level, public, with themes 775. Save. Inside the themes, basic, let me confirm. Themes, inside the themes, basic, inside the basic images 775. Save. Then I open it, images 775. Save. So let me go back to it. Okay, then next I go to resources. Inside resources, views, inside views, themes, up one level, up one level, up one level. So resources 775. Save. Inside the resources we have our views, so give it 775, our views 775. Save. Then we open it, we should have our theme inside. Yes, give it 775. Save. Let me go back there to confirm again. Okay, we are done. Then we go to our storage app, framework and log. We give them all 775. Up one level, up one level. Then our storage 775. Save. Up my storage, our app, I give it 775. Save. Our framework, I give it 775. Save. Our logs, I give it 775. Save. Let me go back to it. Then next I refresh. So all are now in good order. Next I click on continue. Then I put my this thing here. After which I click on continue. I place it here. So here my database name, I'm going to insert my database name. Let me see, let me come back here. Yes. Copy it. Copy. Then come back here. Then paste. Username, paste. Okay, this is my database name. Then I click on continue. Then I click on import now. Website name, let me say Marketbob. Marketbob. Okay. Username, let me say admin. Let me see admin. Email at admin.com. So I click on finish. admin@admin.com. I pass, then I click on login. I have successfully uploaded my script. As you can see, as my dashboard, members, items, all this stuff. Anyone wants to go through, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also use the affiliate link to purchase script. Thank you. Bye.